Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So, let's take a look.
In this video, we're going to talk about SINUBERASE, a probiotic that can lend a hand with your digestive health and much more. SINUBERASE is mainly used to treat digestive problems like irritable bowel syndrome, diarrhea, and constipation. Sometimes, doctors prescribe it when there's an imbalance in the gut flora, for example, after a course of antibiotics. And how does SINUBERASE work? Well, this probiotic introduces beneficial bacteria into your gut, which helps to regain its natural balance and improve digestion. Now, let's talk about how to take it. It's extremely important that you follow your doctor's instructions to the letter. Normally, you start with a high dose at first, and then reduce it to a lower dose to maintain the effect. Remember, it's important to take SINUBERASE with water, and it's best if you do it with meals. Like any supplement, SINUBERASE can have some side effects. Although they are not very common, some people may experience gas, bloating, or stomach discomfort. It is essential to follow the instructions and talk to your doctor if you notice anything unusual. To summarize, SINUBERASE can be a great help for your digestive health, but remember, you should always use it under the supervision of a doctor. Take good care, and see you in the next video. See you soon.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.